Last time on No Direction Home.
I take the DR650 and go rip it up at the motocross park in northern Oahu. Then Emily and I hike Mount Olamana. All right, so I'm here in LA, and the plan is to drive an inland route south through California and stop right about here at the Cleveland National Forest and spend the night, and then the next day continue driving south and head all the way over here to Yuma, Arizona, where I'm going to pick up the El Camino del Diablo, which is a all dirt road trail that basically goes from Yuma all the way through down Oregon Pipe and then back up to right about here, which isn't on the map, to a small town called Ajo, Arizona. So that's the plan.
Woke up this morning to some pretty heavy fog and rain. Pretty low visibility, but I think once we get down off the mountain, weather should clear up a little bit. So I'm headed to Yuma, Arizona. I'm actually going to take the highway. It's about 110 miles. It's not that far. So I'm just outside of Yuma. Got Hopper all fueled up. He's packed to the gills, man. I got water, I got 2 saddlebags full, I got my rear bag, I'm weighted down. But I'm about to head over to El Camino del Diablo. It's about a mile over there, so I'm all set, looking forward to it. Yeah, and I'm about to go ride El Camino del Diablo.
Oh yeah?
You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like 130 miles.
I live on that street out here in Foothills.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my mom and dad bought a property there and we ended up buying it from them. But yeah, that's the street I live on. You know, been here about 20 years now.
Okay.
I train horses.
Oh, really?
Yeah, volunteer deputy.
Okay.
With the Sheriff's Department.
That's awesome. Where's your farm?
Pardon me?
Did you have a farm?
No, I just work off people who have a horse, need to have problems.
Okay.
They kind of call it horse whisperer.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so...
You're a horse whisperer?
Kind of, sort of.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Never met one of those before.
Yeah, about 20 years now I've been doing it.
What's your name?
Wayne Fagan.
Wayne, I'm Bob. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, Bob. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got one of my cards. I'll give it to you. Got it in my truck there. Oh.
You got a what? You got a card?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure. Go ahead, man. Grab it.
Okay, be right back.
Good, man. How are you?
All right. Been all over this country, huh?
I have, yeah. 5 or 6 months already.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yep.
Be safe out there.
Thanks, man. You take care too.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
All right.
Oh, there you go. That's great. Well, listen, it was a pleasure talking to you. I enjoy meeting people and talking to people. Yeah, you too. Stay safe, and you got it, Wayne. Take care, man. All right, so here we go. Start the trail at the Western Barium Goldwater Range. I got my permit. Looks like I'm ready to hit the trail. Definitely getting out to the middle of nowhere. How's it going? I don't have any jerky. I got some trail mix. How about some trail mix?
We're good. Where you riding to?
Aho.
Oh, wow. Cold beer?
Shit, man. All right, I can have a cold beer.
They're only $4. Where'd you come up with a fancy fuel tank?
Yeah, that's an add-on. Thanks, man. That's an add-on. The OEM tank is about 2 gallons, and that's 4. So I went from like 100 miles up to 200 miles.
That is a factory thing, huh?
This isn't factory. This is aftermarket.
Oh,
But
that's a pretty good idea, though.
yeah, it is. So I was driving down El Camino del Diablo, and I saw this ragtag group of people driving their razors. Thank you. And they offered me a beer, and I haven't had any water in a while, so I figured a beer would be the next best thing. Guys, thanks a lot. It's a pleasure meeting you. Thanks. Good chatting with you. Good luck. Stay safe. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bootleg. Tim. This is Tim. He just offered me some gas on the side of the road. That's doing somebody a solid right there. Where are you from?
Heber, Alberta, Canada.
Oh, he's a Canadian. That's why he's so friendly and nice.
If you're in Fort Nelson, it's called TWH Oil Field.
TWH Oil Field?
That's on Alaska Highway, and my shop is at 304. Pretty well ask almost anyone in Fort Nelson. Don't know who TWH is.
TWH, okay. That's you?
That's me. How's that?
That's fantastic. I'm full now. Hey, Tim.
No, that's hey.
Thanks,
No
man.
matter
That's
what
very
it's like,
cool.
I've been in the bush.
These dudes are over here hanging out, ripping it up. Hey, guys, thanks a lot.
Let you go ahead.
So, driving down this trail, hit this big rock. Basically, I went up on one side of the rut. My bike started to lean over to the other side, so I tried to cross. I hit this rock, took a nasty fall on my bike, and like laid the bike down pretty hard. And I hate to say it, it came like this close to snapping my ankle, man. My foot got stuck underneath the bike, and I kind of pulled my foot out right as I was falling. My low side foot, kind of pulled it out and probably saved it. It sucked. It hurt. Hit my head on a rock. Thank God I'm wearing a helmet, right? Here's the rock in question. This bad boy. I was coming right here. Hit this right here. My front tire started to slide over and just hit this rock and then crashed right there. Right here. You can see the spot where I crashed. Border guys. So this is a border patrol outpost station, and I've seen a couple border trucks, passed a couple border trucks on my way in here. The good news about this border patrol outpost station is my camp is just a couple miles past this, so I'm looking forward to getting to camp, chilling out, setting my stuff up, and getting some food and taking it easy. So yeah, let's do this. Sun's going down. Got my camp sorted. There was already a fire ring here, but I don't see much firewood just around. Hopper's chilling. Got my tent. There's two picnic tables at this campsite, which is great. Can set all my stuff up. I'm about 25, 30 yards off the road. I spoke with the border agent. He said this would be a good place to camp, so I'm gonna go try to collect some kindling and see what we can do about a fire. So here's a border agent coming by, just to give you a frame of reference how close I am to the road. What's up, man? So I'm all set. Got Hopper bedded down, got my tent ready, got some firewood loaded. Sun just went down over the mountains and the horizons. Obviously, it's beautiful. Had a great day of riding today. I did about 95 miles on El Camino del Diablo. There was 2 setbacks. One was that I kind of crashed, basically sprained my ankle, kind of walking around with a limp. The second setback was I lost my sunglasses. I took them off to check the GoPro and I forgot to put them back on. I left them on the gas tank and I drove away. So somewhere on El Camino del Diablo, there's a pair of sunglasses. Guess I'll leave those for El Diablo. He can have them. It was a great day of riding, a lot of different terrain, challenging, but rewarding. Apparently I made good time because it was all worth it in the end. When I pulled up about a mile up the road, there's a outpost station for border agents, and there was an agent sitting in a truck, and I was chatting with him for a second, and he's like, "Oh, where'd you come from?" And I'm like, "Oh, I started in Yuma." He's like, "You drove all the way here from Yuma on this road?" I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "Damn." So got the street cred from the border patrol agents in the area, so that makes it worth it. The plan for the rest of the night, get some dinner going, get a fire going, and just chill out, man. I'm looking forward to seeing some beautiful stars, having a glass of vino, and enjoying the peace and quiet. No cell service, no internet out here. So there you go. Next time on No Direction Home. Hopper and I continue our journey on El Camino del Diablo, but it isn't long before technical difficulties threaten to derail the trip.